Hi there and welcome to Bharti Taylor Art, and my motto is let my art colour your world, and I've just sketched out a dove. As you can see the rays there, which I'll be filling in with different shades of colours. That's the glory. And the white dove, the dove of peace, which is the Holy Spirit. So I'll be adding in some spiritual influences within this piece of artwork. Absolutely beautiful. It's going to be gorgeous. Cheers. So as you can see, I'm just mapping out the actual artwork now. It's got a few spiritual connotations in this particular artwork, since the client is a Christian lady, and I'm actually going to be adding in corphi flowers, and as you can see I've got here the different mussels. I might make the mountain here, which is the mountain of Calvary, sort of a PowerShell effect, and incorporating corphi flowers and some other native New Zealand flowers and shapes. Yeah, looks good so far. I'm really happy with it so far. The lighting isn't that great because it's at night, so tomorrow I'll start on all of the colours. So I've just shaded in a little bit of that area there, and now I'm going to use a navy blue. Yummy, yummy colours. I love all these colours. Yum, yum, yum. Colours are just so delicious. That looks delicious. Lovely dark blue. Now I'm going to add a lovely, delicious, almost like a royal blue there. So we're going from dark to light, just shading and transitioning those awesome colours, lovely and rich colours there. Yum, yum. And now we're going for a peacock green. Peacock green is my favourite colour. So the magic is starting to happen now. Look at those colours. Oh yeah. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. I get so excited with colour. It makes me happy. I love that so far. Yep, I've filled in all of the corals so far. Just go in for a close-up. Deep, rich, gorgeous colours. Lovely design. It's going to be full of colour. Looks lovely. I'm just going for a close-up of that again. Beautiful. Just finishing off the silver. It looks lovely. Nice. It's looking good so far. Awesome. Okay, here we go again. I'm just going to fill in this silver bit. This is a silver pencil. Comes in silver and gold. Putting a rainbow around the cross of Calvary. And here we have the finished picture. Looks fantastic. Bright, colourful, very unusual. It's almost psychedelic in a way. You can see the white dove shining with all the glory around it, the Holy Spirit. Cross of Calvary with all the rainbow colours around it. Corus, Corphi flowers up here, up there. Mussels. It's very Kiwiana, but beautiful. Very happy with this piece. One more look at this amazing piece of artwork. Psychedelic. Very cool. Thanks very much for watching Bharti Taylor Art. Cheers.